Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy iced tea at home. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need 4 to 6 tea bags, 4 cups of water, and a heat-safe pitcher. Don't forget a kettle or pot for boiling. If you like your tea sweet, have sugar or honey ready. Finally, grab a spoon and plenty of ice for serving. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your refreshing drink. Now, let's brew your tea to perfection. Begin by boiling 4 cups of fresh water in your kettle or pot. While the water heats, place 4 to 6 tea bags into your heat-safe pitcher. Once the water is boiling, carefully pour it over the tea bags. Allow the tea to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. This steeping time is crucial for achieving your desired strength and flavor. After steeping, it's time to remove the tea bags from the pitcher. Now, if you prefer sweet tea, this is the perfect moment to add your chosen sweetener, such as sugar or honey, while the tea is still warm. Stir thoroughly until the sweetener is completely dissolved. Then, let the tea cool down to room temperature naturally before moving it to the refrigerator for chilling. This step ensures a clear, well-mixed beverage. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade iced tea. Fill your favorite glasses with plenty of ice cubes. Pour the perfectly chilled iced tea over the ice. For an extra touch, you can garnish with fresh lemon slices or a sprig of mint. Any leftover iced tea can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, keeping it fresh and ready for your next refreshing sip. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.